Okay, this video is going to walk you through how to create a parallel line through a given point to line A in this case. The goal of this problem is to try to create a rhombus. A rhombus in such a way that you notice the properties of a rhombus are always the opposite sides or parallel. In a previous video, we've already learned how to make a rhombus. I'm going to walk you through it again right now. It takes 3 circles to make this happen. Here's the first thing. Take your straight edge. Let's make our first edge of the rhombus right here. So you're going to go like this, and then just so you can visually see the rhombus, it makes it easier to understand how to make this as you're building the sides of the rhombus. So with a rhombus, we want to create some sides of this rhombus by making our circle have the radius, that's the distance from the point that we are working with here on the line A, and then through point P. So I'm going to spin my paper here in a second, and we're going to try to create our circle that incorporates point P with the ray, or the lines that we have going for line A. So there's the first part. Now you'll notice in this picture, our rhombus is going to be consisting of these 2 congruent sides. In a rhombus, there are 4 congruent sides, right? So there's our first corner of the rhombus. Now if we want to create this rhombus, or the parallel line going through point P that's parallel to line A, we got to make 2 more circles. Here's how we do that. Don't change your compass, keep it the way it is, and then we're going to keep going around our circle. So we're going to go like this, and draw another circle from that point, and then the third circle will be going from point P. So put your sharp point on P next, and then we will then finally have our rhombus created. Let's see if this actually works properly the way it's supposed to. So essentially what you're doing here is you're creating another circle. All 3 circles have the exact same radius, and then if that's the case, you'll note that if I draw my radius of this circle down here to this point, you will start to recognize a rhombus being formed. So let me just finish drawing this part in, right there, and then also right here. So if I were to then say, what is the line, or construct a line that is parallel to line A, going through point P, with this rhombus we just created, we'll use the properties of a rhombus that have opposite sides parallel, and this line, which we're going to call line B, the lowercase b like this, is parallel to line A. That is how you make parallel lines using the construction of a rhombus to achieve that goal. Hopefully this video helps. Use rhombi to figure out the parallel side through point P. Good luck.